just removing any of the extra hairs you can find sometimes can be on the pork, and we are going to now just place it in the water. I'm using 4 pounds of pork shoulder, and I've got in here bay leaves, some aromat, onion powder, garlic powder. I still like to make sure the pork is flavored, make sure it's nice and tasty when it's being boiled. So that's all going to go in. It's always very nitty gritty when you come down to the last part of the vegetable you're ever grating. It's very rewarding when you do this. You're getting near the end. I'm just gonna snip some of our fresh homegrown thyme. I'm now going to add demerara sugar. Obviously sweeten it to your liking, to your taste. The pudding can be sweeter because you have this savory dish of pork. A Scotch bonnet. Fresh thyme from our garden. Chives and marjoram. Followed by melted butter. Love the smell of lemons. It just smells so amazing. Lemons and limes. That's where you get all the pith out. Oh yeah. Listen to that succulent, juicy pork. Look at that. Nice bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to start off with 1 cup of demerara sugar. Hey, and it's from Barbados. So we're going to start off with that. Followed by, roughly here, I have squeezed a combination of lemons and limes. That gives a beautiful taste. Just beautiful, absolutely wonderful. So here I have roughly squeezed about 3 cups. And you can actually do this to your preference. Now some people do love having the piffs in there. I actually do. So I'm going to save that back and reuse that for mine. Then I'm going to take half a tablespoon of Madagascar vanilla extract. And then we're going to use some vanilla culinary flavor. This is concentrated vanilla. Just about half there again. I've also sliced some lemon and limes for aesthetics and also to add more flavor. And I'm going to stir it all up. Sometimes you can melt the sugar and water, but I haven't done that. So I'm just going to give it a nice good stir. And add your water. We're using filtered water. I'm just going to pour pretty much to the top of the pitcher. Another stir. You can add ice. Now look how beautiful that is. To top it off, if you want to, you can add some rum. And that will be absolutely refreshing after your meal.
Gonna be you and me. Gonna be everything you ever dreamed. Gonna be who you need. Gonna be everything. Gonna be you and me. Gonna be everything you ever dreamed. Gonna be who you need. Gonna be everything.